How to reset the TP-Link RE500X and make the backup file. So hard reset is very simple. Just face the right side of the extender, locate the reset button in that small hole, grab the pin and push this button. That's it. But let's be advanced users, and before we forget password, let's create the backup file. Let's say you updated the firmware and after this something went wrong, but you don't want to lose your configuration and you don't want to set up the repeater from scratch. So you can use the backup file to restore your settings. To create the backup file, you need to go to your web browser. It cannot be done from the Tether application, so go to web browser and in the address bar type tplinkrepeater.net like this. Press enter. This takes you to the login page. Enter your device password. Login. And in this menu you need to go to System Tools, then click on Backup and Restore tab, and here you see this backup section. Click on Backup. The backup file is downloaded, and now you can to make hard reset on your extender, and after you reset, go back to this admin panel and go to Restore section and browse for your configuration file. It's in download so far. Upload it here, click on Restore, and you will have all your settings in resetted device. Also from here you can make a soft reset, so restore all configuration settings to default values except your login and cloud account information. If you manage your home network remotely, so you can keep this data in your extender with soft reset. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and be awesome. Bye.